Now the word meaning from the passage 28 to 31. Reverently, with deep and solemn respect. Temptation, the desire to do something. Compelled, bring out something by the use of force and pressure. Gleaming, reflecting light. Suffer, a person employed to drive a private or hired car. Clasped, clasped, grasp something tightly with one's hand. Now let's see the explanation of this passage. Mrs. Famfrey started sending in brandy. At that time, Mr. Harriot was not able to believe that Mrs. Famfrey actually wanted them to give brandy to Tricky. They started it, they shared it among themselves. Some days, Mr. Harriot used to feel very happy as he would start his day with extra eggs. Then he would have a few glasses of wine in the afternoon and then ending the day with brandy in the evening. Because of all the things that were being sent for Tricky, Mr. Harriot was really tempted to keep him as a permanent guest at the surgery. He really wanted that Tricky should stay with them forever. But then he realized that Mrs. Famfrey, who was like a mother to Tricky, was really suffering and really wanted Tricky to come back soon. After 15 days, Tricky was ready to go back home, and Mr. Harriot called up Mrs. Famfrey to come pick him up. Within a few minutes, a long black car came outside. When the chauffeur opened the door, Mrs. Famfrey was sitting inside, really nervous as well as excited. She was asking with a nervousness in her voice that was Tricky really better, to which the doctor replied positively. Then Mr. Harriot went inside to get Tricky. Dear students, now let's read the passage 33 to 36. I walked through the house into the garden, and mass of dog was hurtling around and around the lawn, and in their midst, ears flapping, tail waving, was the little golden figure of Tricky. In 2 weeks, he had been transformed into a little, hard muscled animal. He was keeping up well with the pack, stretching out in great bounds, his chest almost brushing the ground. I carried him back along the passage to the front car door, to the front of the house. The chauffeur was still holding the car door open, and when Tricky saw his mistress, he took off from my arms in a tremendous leap and sailed into Mrs. Famfrey's lap. He gave a startled oh and then had to defend herself as he swarmed over her, licking her face and barking. During the excitement, I helped the chauffeur to bring out the beds, toys, cushions, cots, and balls, none of which had been used. As the car window as the car moved away, Mrs. Famfrey leaned out of the window. Tears shone in her eyes. Her lips trembled. Oh, Mr. Harriot, he cried. Oh, how can I ever thank you? This is a trump of surgery. Dear students, now Tricky had been transformed in a hard muscled animal. He was keeping up well with the pack. When Tricky saw his mistress, he ran into her lap. Now Mrs. Famfrey was really very happy. She said, That was a triumph of surgery. Dear students, now see the word meaning of the passage. Here, hurtling, move or cause to move at a high speed, typically in an uncontrolled manner. Lethe, flexible, bounce, jumps. Tremendous, huge. Sail means run fast. Swarm means move somewhere in large numbers. Now let's see the complete explanation of these passage. Dear students, when Mr. Harriet went to the garden behind the house to bring Tricky, he saw all the dogs moving around in the garden and Tricky was sitting between them. He had recovered wonderfully in 2 weeks. He was looking much healthier, playing with the other dogs, and his chest was touching the ground. He had become a good muscular dog within 2 weeks. When Mr. Harriet took Tricky to front of the house, he saw that the chauffeur was still holding the door of the car. And as soon as Tricky saw his mother-like mistress, he was overjoyed. He ran away and jumped into the lap of Mrs. Famfrey and started licking her face, barking in excitement. While all this was happening, the chauffeur and Mr. Harrier got all his stuff out to the car, which had not been used during the treatment in the last 14 days. When Mrs. Famfrey was leaving, she leaned out of the windows and said to Mr. Harriet with tears of joy in her eyes that she could not thank him enough for what he had done. This is a triumph of surgery, meant that the treatment that was given to Tricky had been successful. Distance, thus the chapter ends. Thank you.